Hey guys, this is Fred, and I'm here today with a video for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna try to consume a spoonful of cinnamon. I'm probably gonna fail, but I got a mason jar to, spit the cinnamon in. If I have to, I'll probably have to, so let's go. Worst fucking idea ever. Fuck. Okay. A spoonful of cinnamon right in my mouth in 3, 2, 1. Fuck. Fuck. Ah, fuck. All over the fucking sink. Okay. So cinnamon may be good in desserts, but don't eat it like that. Ugh. It's fucking terrible. So that does it for this episode. Hope to see you guys back here, same channel, in the very near future. Goodbye.